Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the biography of Ameri. The real name and the best name at all is talk about Amelina's Grace Henry, professional news actress, model, social media influencer, Instagram personality, and entrepreneur. Famous the daughter of Harris Henry. BOB is June 19, 2001, Wednesday. Best place is California, Los Angeles, United States of America. The age is 23 as of 2023. Ethnicity is white. The sexuality is straight. Gender is female. Nationality is American and the zodiac sign is gaming. And the weight is approximately 55 kg. And the final net worth is 6.5 million USD as of 2023. Thank you very much for connecting with us.